In this video, we're going to take a look at the Shell mind map. The Shell mind map is designed to teach learners how to sort information. Learners are given a main topic and then they proceed to organize the information into subtopics. Learners then sort any relevant information into these detailed sections. So this mind map encourages learners to categorize and to sort relevant information. So the concept of this mind map is based around a shell. And the main topic or idea will be placed at the top of the shell. The subtopic goes in the middle layer of the shell. And then all the relevant ideas or details or information about the subtopics are placed in the lower section. On your screen now is what the shell mind map will look like in your learners' books. And again, the top section is for your keyword or topic. And this is the content that needs to be broken down or organized into categories. Then you get your subtopics, and these are your main divisions or your headings into which the information needs to be sorted. And then the last section, the details, this is the description and information about each of these subtopics. Okay, and they can also include examples. Let's work through a practical example ourselves. And the task is to sort the following numbers into the correct column. So the topic is number patterns. And the subtopic is usually given by the teachers. So in this case, it's counting in twos, counting in threes, and counting in fives. So what is required of the learners is to look through the list of numbers and identify which number you would come across when you're counting in twos, in threes, and in fives. And remember, one number can fall into more than one category. This is what the mind map at the end should look like. Learners write the numbers that they feel fit into the different groups, and it doesn't need to be in an order, it doesn't need to be in a straight line. Really, they write them down as they feel. Some may be bigger than others, it doesn't matter. And again, I emphasize, once finish the mind map, you must include the source of reference and get the learners to identify where they got their information from. If they learned to count from their teacher, then their teacher is the source of information. Perhaps they have an older brother or sister and they learned how to count in twos before they went to school, or at home before learning it at school, then your brother or their sister would be their source of reference.